Hi everyone, it's Rebecca the Dietitian, and I have something new for you. I want to tell you that starting today, the last Monday motivation of every month is going to be full of amazing links to things that I think you will find valuable. I decided that there's so many things that I want to share with you every month, like articles and recipes from other amazing experts, that I'm going to utilize the last Monday motivation of each month to send you that information. I hope that you love it, and if you're not sure that you're on my email list, I want to make sure that you get these because they're going to be awesome, crazy, amazing links, and I won't waste your time. They're all going to be some of my favorite things from the month. So make sure you're on my email list. I'm going to put a link below in the comments and description of the video, and that's going to link you to get my free gift. Sign up for my free gift, which is the 3 surprising ingredients that might be hindering your weight loss. So if you haven't already received that, make sure that you sign up to get that, and that will get you on my email list, so you'll be sure to get all the Monday motivations, including the last one of the month, which is from now on going to be links to amazing other experts and articles and recipes that I think you will love. Hope you have a great week. Bye.